All right, everyone, this is a review for the Under the Weather ChairPod. And this can be used with a wheelchair. I have it on a Zippy Iris, which is a children's wheelchair. You might have to use some creativity in how you get it to stay, but it is very easy to rotate whatever way you want. So wherever the sun's shining, we have that solid one to cover her. If it's raining, you can zip all of these up.
Most awesome umbrella ever.
But if it's not raining, you can open them up for ventilation. If we're going for a walk, as long as there's a clear thing in front and behind, I'm able to push the stroller or the wheelchair and see where I'm going ahead of me. And my daughter likes it. She thinks it's kind of fun. So I recommend, if you're looking for something to use as a sunshade outside for a wheelchair, or if there's a light rain. If it's not a super windy day and you mostly want something for a sunshade or for a light sprinkle, we think this is great. We love this. So yeah, I would recommend it. If you would like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out.